before I go into the video with the 3 dead youth them and Tyson, the dead police dog, we just want to address some things and give an update. Now, the Bullamania, we see them a gangster, see him there? Him come from Conway, not Deanery. And this boy is a crime creator and a violence producer from way back in the days. Him went to jail, to shoot a lady in her back. Now, him 2 parents them pass away and deceased. And you would think this guy here would take some heed and say, alright, let me get a job, a trade, a skill. No. What he's out there doing, he's robbing people, he's doing all sort of shit, and then it's coming back at him. So like I said, this boy right here, his days are number. And remember, Countryman told you so. That's because of what he goes around doing in St. Lucia. Let's go. Yes, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great Countryman. Now, I want to talk about them youth here. Because them 3 youth here, them get killed one behind each other. And them come from a place near Manchi. But before me talk about that, I want to address this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's your son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Now, me see, Madam Police Assistant Commissioner, she's a doctor, and she came out and them finally admit that the police dog Tyson is dead.
It is with deep sorrow that the Royal St. Lucia Police Force confirms the untimely and suspicious death of Constable 642 K9 Tyson. Tyson was a highly trained, dedicated K9 whose service in narcotics and weapons recovery contributed significantly to our national security. Prior to issuing this public statement, all necessary internal notifications were made, including to Tyson's handler, his immediate unit, and other relevant authorities.
I want to stop right here and interject. Now, you heard what Miss Ramsey said, the Assistant Police Commissioner, Dr. Ramsey. She said that the handler and that the unit that he works with and the other people that he work with, this is Tyson now, they notify them. So it means to say that Tyson was not with the handler. Compared to other countries like Canada, Japan, USA, other places, when you have a dog, a canine, the canine goes home with the handler. So apparently, from what Dr. Ramsey just stated, is that the dog doesn't go home with the handler. So the dog is kept at a location, whether it's at the station or whether it's at an off location, and somebody is responsible for feeding and taking care of that animal when he's not working.
Due to the circumstances of his death, investigators are working assiduously on this investigation. The Royal St. Lucia Police Force is aware of growing concerns about interference, possible internal breaches, or external influences. We wish to assure the public that the investigation is being conducted with full independence and integrity. Should evidence point to any breach of trust or collusion, those responsible will face legal consequences.
Constable 642, this is this animal right here. Tyson, the dog. They finally admit that, he died under some really, really scary circumstances. And I think it's a slap in their face, because this dog has done so much good work, more work than the police them, and I'm laughing but it's not funny, and it seems like the police boy them, the organization star, them poison the bomber clock dog. And it just shows it's really a kick in the balls for the St. Lucia police. It's a straight kick in the scrotum, and it's just so unfortunate. And it's a setback, but hopefully they can, find another dog like Tyson. But it's really a kick in the balls, because obviously it's somebody on the inside who did this. This is straight corruption. First, I want to send condolence to the family of these young men. From my intel and my understanding, these young men didn't do anything. It seems like there is a grudge, bad-minded set of people in the community. And, you have, remember when you live in a certain community and you have some people, them just to find anything to come at you and attack you and do this. Yo, to be honest, I am really, really, really upset about them three killing ya. Them kill the youth on the veranda. The man up on him veranda. And them kill the man. Them kill the dreadlocks youth. And the dreadlocks youth no mix up in anything. And them kill the young youth who just graduate high school. You understand? And as far as I'm concerned, all of the gangster them in St. Lucia, yewa, una bulla man. And you know why me I say una bulla man? Una some bulla set a bulla man gangster. You see the people them who are disrupting the life. Certain people were in charge. But they not take it to them, But what wanna do? Wanna take it to people in the neighborhood. You understand? Defenseless people. You understand? So as far as I'm concerned, if you is a gangster in St. Lucia, you are kill little girls, innocent people, you're so good, you're so cocky. Yeah, that countryman I say, I wouldn't like it, bite it. Now, with this killing right here, I want me intel tell me, you have a pussy hole in a manche. Him name Ali. Yeah, Ali. I one of the Batman gangster them. Cause yo, me I go hard and pardon me people. Cause me I go use some really drastic words to describe these guys, And like me say, this is not a church. If you guys want to hear some holy thing, wanna go somewhere else. You understand? Straight. No, me I go drop the gangster boy name now a little bit. But my intel tell me, you see, the tree killing where happened in Manche, it's coming from him and his kids them, cause him have a few sons. And all I'm son them, a violence producer and them a crime creator. Now, some of them son them depend all bail and them still a commit act like this. So, that pussy there, when me a talk about, him hang out with a girl and the girl drive a black Jeep. Me not ready to drop her name yet. You understand? But me just want him know say, yo, pussy, me have my eye on you, you know. And guess what? Some more information will come. As a matter of fact, me I wait till me get the more information from the intel and then me I go drop your name. But just know say, you and your son them, a big idiot thing gonna go on with. And you and your son them, a big bulla man. And listen, me I gonna make sure put the spotlight on you and your bulla man son them. But when we get some more information from my intel, you best believe me I go drop your name. You and your son them. Listen, my name is Countryman.